Welcome to Venus Online Radio.
Our source.
Remember to share, like, and subscribe.
Izina ryanjye ni Dr. Innocent Muramuzi, muri mbuga High Command and General in charge of Academia, kandi avuye mukoro igiye kuzaguza imyaka 50 ya Bushenyi District ni chairperson, organizing committee along with chairperson LC5, Governor Jafar Sajid. Thank you. Academia kunkumu mukoro imyaka 5 ya Bushenyi ka district ni ukora nkasaje baraba ariyo nayija hopefully tutakahereze nako bayashyikira mbwenu umukoro ugu numukoro ki no gwaki no gutambaki tuye nabari yabakiza imyaka 50 tuye nshimiko twakoze iri mukoro kushimya imyaka 50 ku imyaka 50 mu stiniki abari mu bushwera bakiza imyaka 50 abo bono bakora imbaga y'amani kandi abatakagikisere barube ngo kubara gisya bakisere so imyaka 50 n'ikintu cy'amani ako wari bomara magwitwa gw'imyaka 5 igino gamba ngo kujaguze imyaka ya 50 ya shared prosperity ibirungi binge bitushyireho nka Bushenyi district aha kuba ko kutambara heru ya Bushenyi wajyo tinirwa Bushenyi abantu mu manya Bushenyi bitura ni manyoka model district kandi ko kuza kurondo burugobu model district yatandikireho n'ikizimbe cyanyaruje cyuruho no kuza bw'umwana bw'abanyabushenyi no bwegesebwinye bw'abanyabushenyi so teka ngo kwenda kore komitindo gwa Bushenyi higuru no kumeka ngo shongwe y'imyaka 5 twakora hako kutinsa uko ururimi rw'abinje ko bagamba twora hakantu tube pioneers muri Uganda kito district nkuru muri Uganda kucara aro risuzu tucero bukuru nkambara ya tuzire nezindi kunkito kugira ngo turmodo nturonde yakantu kanonkora yo kake tukateka mu bantu hat greatness ya Bushenyi moderness ya Bushenyi yegumo kandi ko kuchikore twa Bushenyi yite rather group yite ya make Bushenyi great again yite twenda tuteke ho musingi imyaka nshanjo ne 5 baro bakiri ya Bushenyi yicuruho babeno bafuna ye batandikira kuzaguza imyaka nshanjo ne 5 ya Bushenyi abaro babacuruho kuba Bushenyi kuri semyaka igana umukoro gukira himirundi igana so nechamanu munonga kureba ngo kacha kutwine Bushenyi ka district abantu bitayibare ubwegese burunge environment nungi obwembeze uburungi. You remember one time Bushenyi ka ikine by Minister Mushanju kandi ari district bitakajargana minister no mu myaka abirinenga yo buyorobuye yasi so hati what celebrating ngire imyaka 50 egi you know no celebrating ati so ko kureba concept note yitu imyaka 5 yo muri ziti pink ziti goldish ziti yellow whatever color it is no reba ngo aro reason iyo kutushinga imyaka 5 barabacuruho bo bara celebrating itu celebrating rero tuza kuteko mu ndomu kandi mu kuza koringa icyo kubanza ko kiko mu ndomu barwe bitu byinje munongo nito tabanze kugira district headquarters nungi muri Uganda yono iheroke KCCA tina handi district ngije yabiri abantu twatanze kugira ngo Bushenyi ni model bushiwe zikanyana zinge zinkureba mu myaka ya 9 uwaba ine district headquarters kezo no nambare ya tuzireke zindi bishona natwe kutezinde kandi kwisho cyane ko baraziteka reba kuza kombe kapsa twinde binjo mu ndomu ebyo buhingi ebyo burisa ebyo amashomero n'umutumanya ngo Bushenyi niyo education hub ya Western region wa de twinde stembarara kunka amashomero gutuye nomu mbendiyo ni imbara twinde universities nkitanda mu district tem kandi obwe agent district temwe ekorwa ishaza rumwe ryigara agando wadi tukagazara gagenda bituna cyo numwe kucumanya ngo agutwazire gone district yantunga mo tukagizara ngweje twagizara shema twagizara bibiri twagizara na mitoma twagizara abo bona nsoko beta bije abarebe nyinabo icyaku celebrating imyaka 50 ko bar siatana bete nyinabo nishebu bitugende tubatayayire celebrating imyaka 50 mbaho gicuro wabo activities twine nyinje munongo tunokutayira amashomero tukabagambira bya Bushenyi tunokutayira za universities tukatweza debates twine of course yatanka munonga neji tukore ibintu towards the D-Day yitu never bitano kwa mushanjo mwakugu kunka officially we are launching this Bushenyi at 50 celebrations today kunka yemeru mitura ne gendo misho meetings tuwa nzitambara tuyine okubyara emiti tuyine press conference ya buri week turabye to addressing kugira ngo updating abantu ibitukora tuyine amaramizo tuyine okushaba umaramizo gatari gamwe na gamwe okugira amachacha tuyine omugona gedin zona tuyine public lectures tuyine radio talk show izitwagizere tuyine TV talk shows izitwagizere no kongera kuzamo tuyine yo ebintu bingi munongo bitukuza gukora ngo publicizinga inventage yabe yamanu munonga nicyo twayitera very many of you people abukutwatanse nitwa ba fourth estate itumure ba government kwerekana munywana sabataka na government nando kubahereza information so ebintu nibinje munonga bitwine kugira ngo twaza kusyebera bitano okwamushanju omwako at least buri munyabushenyi muri buri munyagureta bushenyi abe namanyo umukorogu ni gutebekanisa bwa groups ibi eyo kubanza ni make bushenyi gurete again ejuno ni nyekundire yabataka di make bushenyi gurete again ni citizen movement ekwatanise na bushenyi district local government nicyo kureba government yazwicyorwa mu RDC chairman C5 governorship kuba ryaha konka yatunga meeting nate yacyura umuntu aza kutushangaha aba municipality yitu nabo they as old as the district bashimye kuba baryana bo baryo meeting yemwa district aha konka bwenshonga yobwire twagira ngo baza kutushanyisiriza so members of the media ubwo mukoro ngo bakwata unkimwa kuba abinjo muri imwe ni muzarwo mu rubushenyi abatagazoro mu rubushenyi ni mukoro imirimo yanyu mu rubushenyi ninga tisto muri nkore nankore district yazireha yazire bushenyi so twataho kugira ngo once nawe yawe urabori ntukushaba ngo tere yakarimi ujye utumukorwa abanyabushenyi gw'imyaka 5 haza gucuriyo icyo cyo ngabaza kushashora TV ninga radio ni sente nyingi hati woriya wa airwaves katorabizeho ubundi nsibura yawo kizo gishango mwigi mwe bari munonga
we bari munonga Mamazadok na chairman wa Bushenyi at 50 na generals ba citizens movement ekwatanise na district local government ya Bushenyi kureba ngo twatunga umukorogu gwekitinisa kandi gutakusiga muntu wena enyuma atnyonka RDC tinku za rumuru Bushenyi nyewendi aha kwishiriza assignments za His Excellency the President ezo kugira ngo tutungure byanga ninga tukwatanisa abantu kandi turebe ngo ntumanye kugenda mu misho kwatanise n'abantu so ati nyowe ekikunde to muri yechi no kugira ngo nyonyenda ndebe Bushenyi eri kwongera kuranganwa nyenda kureba omukoro aho munyabushenyi ari kwijuka obwa Bushenyi bwe obunyabushenyi Bushenyiness, what does it mean? Emyaka 50 no magara go muntu nkiba kikinzi chango munonga kikwetaga kuyisya nibinje bo kuba viviro no wozirwe okura oshoma utunge mirimo uboshwero gira family so atu Bushenyi amayisangu ndwenda turebe Bushenyi kwihezarwa ebirunje bizire nibaho na noburemezo bireho then mu myaka 5 ituzamwe ndiro kuza kwisigana tubase kuba twetekatecire okutura base kutungura abantu bitu bakakajo mu myaka ejo aho kubense riyo nehinduka so ekikutanjiraho omunyabushenyi wene ogwo mukoro no gukwataho abo kugira ngo wota kumanye cyori to kubasa kumanyaho kuzakuza banzo imanye nko munyabushenyi nkimanyisaki ninga district echagiretire yahangwaho niki district says namwe n'ubwako bwire hato bucurumu ezo zituraniza hangwaho ekigenderwa nkigira ngo tubase kwisyo obuhereza hina n'abantu so Bushenyi ayateriro mwaka gwa kumurwe na chanzunena eriko rigari imbarara igenderwa kigira ngo eyetongore ebase korera abantu bayo so ebyo ntuza kurebe nyuma turebe obwiro Bushenyi herize omunso muninga omu administrative structures zihanga basize kukorwa ibi abantu bakwesimeranisa turebe n'abantu bita barigire abakozere ebyamano mu ihangeri ombwebembezi no mbuherezo butari bumwe na bumwe mwe nizoba abantu ayibarizire hamwe atari mu byo kutanisa abantu mu dini bya politics ningembajo za divisive politics ebyo byona ntuza kubyebwa tubanze twijuka ekikumanyisa to be omunyabushenyi namwe nukunje basika kuntugira special IDs bushenyi yani special IDs kugira ngo no bwakubori district sezini ninge byange bindi obe no mangu no rwekera district yawe konkecho nchirigira aha kwesimerana soko ine ninga pride in your being omunyabushenyi so nyowe arrangement ya bushenyi at 50 ninye kurebya ebyo kwerinda ninga security Mchimanyisa ngo arrangements zone zo kurenga omukoro gwagenda gutari mu kutahirwa ninga mweno kutabangurwa kwone ninye ndabe ninkora ki ndi kuchebembere echo kandi ndukora na security team ziteze mu kumeza police zamahe mweno kureba ngo gwaguri omukoro gwa celebration kwenini yaba celebration etakariga muki amarira so nyowe aba president wihanga kandi oturiyo ntueta inviting aho mukitini sache ngo aje tubere umujenyi mukuru hati nyowe ground nyine kuba natankire kugira inteka teke zindi kumanyisa ngo iki kintu kunkukireba twatu mwine nziza kuboneraje n'abantu nibaza kukikunda je kukiraho kandi nabo nawayije abantu abanyabushenyi bamore ko kusima kwe abo webembezi we abo kuba emyaka 38 yazo mu bwebembezi ningo butegeki cyama isango the big part of the 50 years when Bushenyi has existed has been under his leadership so ntwenda president ayije arebe Bushenyi okwebembera kwe ebitubasize kwisiyo mu bantu then ayije arebe na programs eziri current okuzi kugenda mu misho ezimukumanya ezikutungura eminyeto ezikutungura abacara ezikutungura buryomwe ezikutungura abakuziremu na nebya general security mwenu ko kumukubimanya so omukoro ogu nyowe nkanye ningutaho siru na stamp ngo recommending ngo buryomagwe atwegiteho turenga twagira omukoro murungi tino tukusige nyuma kandi ukuri abagambira tino buturihemu kugira ngo ogumanya political camps behavior tubiroho in fact ejeneza kuba occasion yo koreka abanyabushenyi ngutura hamwe nanyenye bariremo ngutura hamwe kandi twena ntukorera okutungura district yitu kwera ya iswe modo omyaka eje mitoma 15 abwacho mwanya ogo ntugurekera abando myaka 15 itukura ta so Bushenyi gumero modo until the next anniversary which should be at 75 akona aro silver jubilee 25 then muzari golden muti mpaka riga na centenary so nyowe office yanje turiyo ntukora nabandi ntucoordinatinga no bya publicity ntubegitaho ana no kwatansa na bagenozi abandi bari mu mbuga high command hati mbuga nyenda mbasime abo kugira mu kareta idea nunji munonga kandi kunajihurira nareba nkwenyine kintu keke cyacu tariho then no munyabushenyi to kumanye cyori so abanyabushenyi mwe bare kwihayo interests z'abantu bitu kandi mukagira ngo izoberyo twije hamwe tute Bushenyi on the map afresh abarubirizi abana bitu barubirizi Shema Buhweju na Mitoma Korigara disease nabamanyiseho so ni mobilizing abantu banyu together with the OC5 chairpersons na all leaders our members of parliament please let's embrace this where the differences ezikubaziruho tutegerezo bwire bwakarure ekikore hamwe kandi turengu cya agenda je mwe bare munongo
academia and for this 50 years celebration of Bushenyi I am the chairperson organizing committee along with the chairperson LC5, Mr. Jafar Basajabara, who is joining us shortly. He's in another meeting at the district. Bushenyi at 50 years celebration is such an important milestone in the life of the people of Bushenyi, alive and dead, because those who are not here now contributed too much to the current prosperity of Bushenyi. For those who are still alive, we have a bigger debt to pay to make sure that people who will be here after us at 75, Bushenyi at 75, Bushenyi at 100, should remember that even at 50, there was something to show. Bushenyi is globally known as a model district in Uganda. Maybe because we come from Bushenyi, we don't know the modelness of our district. But those who are outside Bushenyi, I was out of the country one time and I said I come from Bushenyi. Every person said, Bushenyi, the model, they have that feeling that in Uganda, if you talk of Bushenyi, it is a very important district, historically endowed, very rich in terms of education, in terms of health, environment, food supply. So we as people of Bushenyi, either you are working in Bushenyi or you are born in Bushenyi, we feel we have a duty to celebrate Bushenyi at 50 years. A couple of activities will be celebrated. Let me summarize them. One, the first one is this. We are launching these mega activities today. That is number one, a mega launch of Bushenyi at 50 event. Number two, we are supposed to go and visit the districts which were born by Bushenyi. Number three, we are going to have health camps and awareness campaigns. We are going to visit secondary schools and teach them about loving their district and their country. We are going to do tree planting so that we can conserve our good environment to remain good. We are going to do historical tours to major historical sites in Bushenyi, especially Greater Bushenyi. We are going to have cultural and business exhibition. We are going to have public lecture at universities in Bushenyi. So far we have around 5 universities in Bushenyi, and yet there are other districts which don't even have a tertiary institution. We need to celebrate that. We are supposed to have a business forum. We are supposed to have an elders round table meeting, hopefully, with the head of state if he comes. We are going to have a grand citizens council. We are going to have a sports tournament. We are going to have a street bash. We are going to have a book launch detailing good and bad that has been in Bushenyi, so that the good becomes better at 75, at 100, and the bad, we learn from it and make Bushenyi we make Bushenyi better than it is now. We shall have lots of entertainments, and on the D-Day, which is the 5th of July 2024, that's when we shall crown all these activities, because the activities begin on the 1st of July and shall end on the 5th of July. Thank you.
This is a big occasion coming up, celebrating half a century of the existence of the great district of Bushenyi. As RDC, my task when I'm sent to a particular jurisdiction is to ensure that government programs or the agenda of His Excellency the President is put into operation in full swing. I'm also charged with ensuring that the area where we are operating, that people are together, they are united, that people understand what is going on, that people are part of the programming, that people have things that bring them together. Therefore, I look at Bushenyi at 50 as an occasion to celebrate the unity, progress, prosperity, and the vision of Bushenyi as a district. This idea first came to my knowledge through the Mbuga leadership and the generals who introduced this idea to us as the district leadership, so that we work together to make this event become a reality. And indeed, I'm happy that we've been progressing in terms of organizing. Up to this point, a lot has been going on. We've been reaching out to a number of partners and stakeholders, and I want to assure you that the response so far is very promising. People are continuing to understand what this concept is all about. The literature is very well laid out. You can see it as articulated by the co-chair, and the chairman LC5 is here with us. He's also going to tell you from his angle as the one who leads all Banyabushenyi together what he interprets from this. But for me, my duty in organizing this event is that I'm head of security, which means I have to ensure that the environment under which this activity is going to be held is top-notch in terms of safety and general well-being. I'm also counting myself as a Munyabushenyi, because when you are in Rome, be with the Romans. But also I want to appreciate the Banyabushenyi for the spirit of knowing who you are. The true Munyabushenyi does not admire being from another district, because this is the best place to be. And for us to make it much better, let us be united. Let us stop acts of bloodshed. Let us stop corruption. Let us stop politics, which is divisive. His Excellency the President wants a Bushenyi where people are united around causes. What is Bushenyi's interest at this particular time? When Bushenyi was established in 1974, I know a lot was not in place. Right now, as we talk, there are a lot of milestones, and most of those have been achieved under the leadership of His Excellency the President. Because from 1986, that is 38 years now, when he's the one leading. So all the universities we have here, which were never there, all the schools, every single aspect of human advancement has happened under the leadership of His Excellency the President. So meaning that this is a day where indeed the voice of His Excellency the President and the hand should be seen. Indeed, among the other duties that
abantu benyi mu cyaro irinka y'abantu benyi muri Bushenyi tuntu betebe nyuma kugira ngo tubakuzo mulaimara iteji mukanya kugamba ngo abantu bitabo mu byaro nubaturaje munonga kucyara abantu binji mu Uganda bokutura mu byaro. So ibyo na objects bashoma concept not iteji byona birum environment yo kureba abantu mu district zintaguzagambaho icyo yakiriyo nchibi ito hatuye nakabo. So it's a host of very many things that you are going to celebrate. Ubumwe bw'Abanyabushenyi na nagambira ngo nyimwe bo kumanya byanyamurunga bebaro ninga babishumire Ibrahim na mushanjo kwa katanu amazima ga mu Bushenyi ketete mu Uganda yona ushuti seat of power ya Uganda ya Bushenyi na hatebere baro one time between the minister mushanjo kandi haro district yasemya kankabere ninga makumeshe itine na district itine na minister no. So b'Abanyabushenyi ibintu buri nshonga yona yo celebrating emyaka 50. Webari okay. Personally contributed to the building of that district. That alone, we are not celebrating that one alone. We have very many other things we are celebrating. Bushenyi is an education hub. I've told you we have currently 5 universities. How many districts even have 1 university? We have the best old and modern secondary schools and primary schools. Some of them are here. Primary school being number 1 in the whole country for 5 consecutive years. Those are not mean achievements that you shouldn't celebrate. The oldest good schools, both boys schools and girls schools, are in Bushenyi, not in these children which Bushenyi produced, mind you, the other districts, the new ones. So we have every reason to celebrate the good environment which we have in Bushenyi, the cool weather we have here. Others are burning up because of heat. For us, we are enjoying our pressure here with ease. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 points why Bushenyi must celebrate Bushenyi at 50. Thank you.
My last question is, you have invited the President of Uganda to come and be the guest of
Yes, please.
Do you want to tell him that you're also thanking him for the achievements you have achieved during his term as the President?
Celebrating meat and blood is impossible. We are calling him as a head of state. This is a local government function. We are partnering with the district. So, whereas we could have invited any other person, it would be wrong. So, celebrating what he has done in these 38 years, including 38 years for Bushenyi, is not surely a big mistake. It's an achievement. Thank you. Yes, sir. Produced more to the camphor. Thank you. Number one, where are we celebrating from? Bushenyi District main grounds, which is our football ground down there, our stadium. That's where the celebration shall be. But other celebrations shall be distributed in the different parts of the country. Ishaka, Kabohe, Rwentu, depending on the activity. If it is football, here in the constituencies. If it is tree planting, we are planning to plant trees along the main road, maybe from the border with Shema to the border with Rivirizi, so that we make something really visible. And when we are talking of environmental conservation and protection, yes, we have lost very many forests, very many swamp cover, but then if we can begin by planting trees, at least on the visible main road here, and we encourage our people to plant a tree or two wherever they are. It could be in the compound, it could be in their farmyard, it could be where. If each Bushenyian can plant one tree, I think we can preserve this good weather in Bushenyi. There was a fourth question which I think has skipped my mind. Awards, thank you. We have an awards committee led by senior Bushenyi citizen and composed of senior Bushenyi citizens, and we have around 10 categories. Very many of them: education, agriculture, politics, leadership, governance. All those categories, the committee will sit and maybe pick number one and number two, so that we get different areas represented. You can't award 2-3 people. It loses meaning. People must be many, and what we add is that those people will be, the awards will be to the current survivors of Bushenyi, including or even plus those who did a lot of work but have gone to rest with the Lord. We shall also award them posthumous. Thank you.
Program of celebrating Bushenyi district at 50. For us as a district local government of Bushenyi, which I head as a political head, I'm very glad to be associated with it, and I hope we are going to come together and make sure that at least the celebration becomes fruitful. The reason why I say that I'm glad is because this celebration is going to bring us together. First of all, irrespective of either color, creed, political affiliation, even religious affiliation, we are going to come together as the Bushenyians to make sure that we do the needful. Because celebrating this day, of course, is going to give us pride as Bushenyi local government, because the achievements of Bushenyi, we have moved forward along with many other people, whether Catholic, Protestant, Muslim, whether FDC, NRM, or what. We are going to come together and celebrate what we have achieved as Bushenyi. And we have achieved a lot in terms of farming. When you look at agriculture, as far as Bushenyi is concerned, automatically we are moving forward. Secondly, when you look at infrastructure, between 1974 and now, a lot has been improved in our district, and I hope we have a cause as to why we are going to celebrate. When you look at hospitals, whether private or public, there is a lot of improvement. When you look at the issue of hospitality, you look at hotels, we are better off than we are. Because by then, for us who have lived between those years, 74 now, we are seeing a lot of change in terms of everything. So I hope we have a lot to share, and I want to thank all who are willing and who are participating in this event. It's going to be colorful. First of all, this achievement is not for us only as Bushenyians. We have other external forces, even external people, including the president himself, who have made us improve from where we are and where we are now. So it's prudent for us to make sure that at least when we call the president as a photo of honor to be with us, it will be more colorful. And of course, the president is the president. Yeah.